So there's literally no one here, but at least I won't die of dehydration. What's up? Good morning. And it's a cool like tea thing. I don't know if anyone else is like this. It's like I love eating on the floor. Do you like eating on the floor too? But yeah, so I'm not gonna explore this morning because I need to pack and I kind of want to chill this morning, but I know I'll be back. The reason why I'm not visiting anything is because I want to come back, which is kind of dumb. I'm obsessed with this seasoning thing. It's like wasabi flavored soy sauce crisp. I'm gonna have it for breakfast, I don't care. Doesn't taste of anything, so I'm gonna drown it in sauce. It's really nice. It's like a really hot like shower bath. So this is a hot bath and then shower here. Matcha pizza. I might miss my flight just to get this. And I was literally the first one here, so embarrassing. They have shaved ice. I'm gonna miss my flight. So dumb. I went to the wrong airport and now my flight leaves in like an hour. This is why you don't solo travel, because I have no brain cells today. Hopefully I'll make it. What happened was I was already super late because I was eating matcha ice cream for like years in Kyoto. So then I arrived in Osaka and I didn't realize there were two airports that are like literally on other universes. Like they're so far apart and I went to the wrong one, obviously. Yeah, I took a taxi and it was a great experience. It had like lacy seats and the views were like Manhattan vibes. Great. Didn't get to see Osaka though because I was zooming to my island. Literally in the middle of nowhere right now, but so far it's very tropical vibes, which is great. But right now, kind of scary. Look, there's like statues. I never explained where I was, but this is insane. Like no one goes to this island like by themselves. Like it's not even in Japan. It's like way like in the middle of the sea, and you need a car to get everywhere. And for 3 days, I was the only person, I was 23-year-old. Like I had no car. I was clueless, didn't speak the language, just by myself on this island, like completely stranded. And no one goes here alone, like, and I booked this because I just saw that there were like the nicest beaches in Japan. Like there were so many islands to choose from where there were more people, but I just thought this one has the nice beaches, so I'll go. And yeah, I was completely stranded, it was vibes. I made it! Oh my god, I can't believe it. My room is huge, and also there's like no reception. Like I had to check in with a code that they sent me. I got an email ages ago. I still haven't like seen anyone on this island, so I've just opened the reception book and literally everything is about storms. Supermarkets will be sold out due to typhoons. The elevator may be stopped. Okay, I'm gonna like go to the supermarket and go buy snacks just in case there's a storm. But room tour is huge. And there's a view of the beach. I'm literally like the only one here. Like, where are all the people? There's a jet ski. I feel like it's the apocalypse, not gonna lie. Morning shot. Fruit water. That one looks cool. So there's literally no one here, but at least I won't die of dehydration. Original things. I don't know if you can hear the music. Also, what's better, Family Mart or 7-Eleven or Lawson? Comment.